Hello everybody, I love beef noodle soup with style. Today my brother cook for me and you are invited to come along. This is a big kind of noodles. There are two kinds. You can use the small one like the central provinces they normally use, but I love the big one like so. So I invite you to the kitchen with me and show you how to cook the perfect broth and how to set up a bowl of these noodles. Welcome to Saigoncook travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So I have 2 kilograms of beef ribs and 2 kilograms beef shank and 1 pork leg. We cook for the big crowd. So 1 pineapple, a few stalks of lemongrass, 1 onion, 1 bunch of green onion, chili. You can do a lot like so because it can last for you few days, and the more you cook the better it will be. Shrimp sauce and variety of herbs. In the morning glory, vegetables, banana flower vegetables, spearmint, no actually peppermints, Vietnamese corianders, and mostly those are typical vegetables and herbs for this kind of soup. So you need to blanch your meat and bones and chop to the sizes you want, and you cook them to tender. Normally, if you use the help of pressure cooker is good for you, but otherwise you can cook on stove top until they are tender. In the meantime, you cook, you put the oil in the pan, sauté garlic, lemongrass, chilies, and then you add the shrimp sauce. And the content you add to the broth to season the broth. To this broth you add rock candy sugar or normal sugar if you don't have rock candy sugar. And make sure you put the pineapple in when you cook the meat, because the pineapple help tenderize the meat. So you just season the broth the way you like it, salty, sweet, the level that you are liking. Then your broth is done. Now I show you how to set up one bowl to perfection. So you drop the noodle into the boiling water and you drain them very carefully so that you don't have any liquid left, and then dump into the bowl. Better get the big one because we have so many toppings. As you can see, we transfer to the small pan for assemble for assembling the bone right now. Okay, first few slices of beef shanks, 1 piece of pork leg. You can see they look tender now, and they are. And then 1 piece of beef rib. Now they are all tender. So come white onion, green onion, and the herbs. After that, you lay on the broth over. Make sure the broth is piping hot, because I like the way that is. When it's hot like that, it cook your onion a little bit, and it's perfect, because it's like blanching your onion. Add more broth the way you want it. I like to slurp the broth with the noodles. And you have two choices. You can blanch the vegetable in the hot water like so, or you can add raw. If you eat it at home and you prepare the vegetables, you feel comfortable to eat raw. But if I am outside, going out eating this kind of noodle, I will ask them to blanch my vegetables, to sanitize more, the way I don't trust how they wash the vegetables. And now the last one is sauté chili, and you can squeeze a piece of lime, and voila, enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.